Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the artist Rabia from Pakistan. Today I want to show you how to make a digital textile pattern in Photoshop. So guys, before starting, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. From here you can see I have taken these colors. I will make a digital pattern with the help of these colors. So let's start. I am taking this rectangular tool and I will make a rectangle. You can see I will fill the color with the help of dropper tool. Now press Alt backspace and fill the color. I am removing this stroke to 0. You can see the stroke is removed. Now I will again take the rectangle and again make this a thin rectangle now. With the help of this dropper tool, I will select this color and press Alt backspace. Again make another rectangle, little bit smaller, thinner, and with the help of dropper tool stack the color and press Alt backspace and fill the color. Again take this rectangle and again make a line like this. I'm selecting the color with this dropper tool and press Alt backspace to fill the color. You can see guys, this is made. Now I will take this crop tool and check this that it is thick. Okay, press this tick mark. Now from here into the edit, make define pattern. Click on this and name it any of the pattern. I am naming this here check pattern. Hit OK. Now I will take a new file. You can adjust the size from here according to your need. I am giving it 20 by 22. Hit OK. I am unlocking this layer. And from here I am taking this bucket tool. You can see here you have to click on this pattern. So click on this and you will have this right here check pattern. Simply click here. You can see this your pattern. Click on press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Press Ctrl T to transform the layer, and I'm simply rotating it. You can see it has been rotated, and adjust the size by dragging this. Press enter. And guys, on this layer I'm adjusting this from normal to multiply. You can see this, the check is created. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.